Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Why is that girl? Bring her. Why is that girl? Bring her. Why is that girl? Why is that woman now? Why is that woman? There are some of them that are telling you. Sit down, sit down. Why is that woman? Why is that woman? Eh? Why is that woman? Come and sit down here. Sit down here. Sit down. Sit down. Why is that Baba? Why is that man here? Come. Shima is supposed to be given. Shima Abashi one. Shima Abashi stretcher. Enough stretcher.
Come on.
Okay. These ones are ready.
Okay, all right. We'll talk to us. No, we'll talk to him. Sorry. Just wait, let's Alright, right.
To thank the police now.
The point is that even only me from inside that bush, now only me the south, they happy about Nigeria police today. Because I'm very so surprised. The way I hear the gun, the bullet, everything. So I don't know where the thing they come from. But I just believe that God will help us. When they start, they run, they carry their gun, they run. I say, what is happening? I'm the one that I first dodge, run, come out. They start, help. So those people, the south say, move the south, say they are around. This, na police. Now we bring the south, say, oh God, we there here, before we know, they sometimes they go shoot gun more than 30 minutes, shoot a bullet, this thing, bump, boo. That's where we did on that stone. Honestly, 20 years, nobody will know that people did there. 100 years, nobody will know.
How many people are there? Those kidnapped, how many of them are there?
There is like 30, and all of them get gun, each gun, and they bring bullet for them every night. Then they call.
They fight the police when they come. They try to engage the police.
No, they no shoot police. They run, go inside. They still draw us, enter inside bush again. They carry us, go inside that stone. If they build this house like 10, you know, it never did that stone inside. With the still strong walls going there, then they hear the police gun. The next thing, those police say, where we not there? Na police, more we talk. Where we there? We know we talk, we know we shout. More than 1 hour, we there inside bush, they will do like this with their gun. We know if south, police dey south, they shoot gun. Say, "Man, una talk, we dey here. If we talk, they go shoot us." Later, when them come out, go up. Now, how south say, "Oga, we dey here." Oh, now police see the shoot gun, they run to come our side again. Oga, when I see Nigeria police, I first lie down the road for ground. I tell one police, I say, "Oga, I say this thing a dream for me. I go still go back to this problem." Oga police say, "Na me, na police. Nothing go happen again. See, they are there for us. There is almost 50 those police.
Which they carry you?
For Gauraka, from my house, inside my house. This 9 days now."
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Your name again?
My name is Ajaya Adekunle. Please, don't get anything to talk again. Nigeria police, because our area, soldier dey there, police dey there, they say they don't get bullet, they don't get gun. But I'm very so surprised from here to that place. You know, they easy. I don't know why they come there. I don't know why. I dey tell my brother today, say I don't know why. What carry those police come that place today? I don't know.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Nice. Yeah. Okay. Let them join us. Let them join us. All right, sir. What's your name?
My name is Samson Chijoke.
All right. Tell us, what was your experience like?
Hi, my brother. It was horrible. On Wednesday night, I just finished for my business. I go to sleep.
Where?
At Gauraka, Agwambuku, Gauraka,
In where, Ken?
in Niger State. Niger State.
Yesterday,
No, last week, on Wednesday, a week and today. So, as around 11, I start hearing gun everywhere.
In the house or
No, around my house. I start hearing gun. So small talk, I start hearing they open the gate, everywhere. But they have not come to my side. I now wake up, start to peep for window. I can't hear where people they shout, "Hey, you don't kill me, oh, no kill me, oh, no kill me, oh, no kill me." Oh. So when they finish like 3 house, they now come to my own. They say, "Who is there? Who is there?" They do just take one hammer my gate open. They want to enter inside my compound. I tell them, "No problem, I will come out. I will come out of myself. People should not worry." So I open the key of the gather. I come. They say, "He's Oga, who's Oga, who's Oga?" No, I say, "I'm Oga." I say, "No, I'm not Oga." They say, "Who's Oga?" I say, "I'm the owner of the house." Before they go rush into my house, I tell them, say, "Where's the money? Where's the money?" The money I save for the day, I carry the money, give him. I rush to my wife's room again. "Where's the money? Where's the money?" My wife carry the money. She said too. Carry give him. Plus the phone, all our asset. He pack it. This guy, they just carry us. So as I come outside the house, they carry only me, the Oga. They carry only me, leave my children in my house. So as I come outside, I now see my neighbors where they lie them down. About 3 of them lying down near my fence. So I join them. They say if anybody move, they will shoot the person. All of them carry gun, different type of gun. I say, "How can we run this night where you carry gun?" Say, "We will go." My brothers and sisters, we trek from like this place. We trek like 7 hours in the night. From Gauraka, we trek down to hill of Bwari. Hill of Bwari. They now put us inside one cage, down the hill, inside cage. That's where all of us live. They now come to meet me in the morning time. They say they are kidnappers. They are not here to harm anybody, but we should cooperate. Say their problem is money. They need money. Say we should cooperate. And for me, say they have seen my house, that I'm going to pay 60 million. I say 60 million. I have not even seen 60 million for my lifetime. They say that's my own bill. They now meet my brother, take him his own. So after they tell us the price finish, they now go to their area where they always discuss. So they come again. They say we should take our mouth and tell them how much are we going to pay them. I tell them that when you are come to my house, the money I sold that night was 220,000, my own. I don't know my wife own what she sold that day. Say I give you the whole money and my set. And inside that set you hold there, I have account balance of 160,000 naira. That is what I go to pay. I want just vest, carry something, hit my head. Why? Did I know what they call kidnappers? 160,000 naira. Say I should talk in millions. I said I never even see millions. I don't have millions. He says the million they deal with here, millions. He hit me, my back everywhere. If I close my clothes now, you see. He hit me. I faint one side, he leave me. He meet him and my neighbor. He say, how much I go to pay? My neighbor say, you go to pay 500,000. He said, waiting. He hit him again, hit him. He said, for this, where we are right now, is danger zone. They don't want to hear anything 1,000. It's the millions they deal with here. So, after the day, they put us inside the cage and leave us there. Well, first morning, they cook beans and rice with oil when they cook. They say we should eat. I said, I'm not hungry. I'm not going to eat. They say, I never see anything. Say by next morning I will start to eat that food. So that day passed. We slept. The very morning again, they carry another people again come. Another people from Bwari come. One man with his son plus a neighbor. They carry them come join us. So the man with them, the man have already told them that you have to pay 20 million. I said 20 million, okay, you're a farmer. He tell me, say that is a strategy. So I never know, that's why they beat me. He said, anytime they hold you, don't tell say you don't have money. Just agree say you have money. Yeah, so if you agree say you have money, they will not beat you. Then his way is to pay the money, because it's not you that inside that place will pay 20 million. Okay, he just advise me, say anytime they come, ask me too, so I say I have money. So next day they beat me, say, how much I will pay? I said I will pay 2 million. I said, for where? Get me, boy. I said, as they come my house, they see the chair I get, they see my television, they see my children, my wife. Say, I get past that. What I will pay again? As they beat, I said they beat my neighbor. So at last, we can't see, say, we are about to die now. If we don't talk better thing, they want to kill us that place. I said, I say, okay, I'm going to pay 10 million. I say, yes. And now I'm talking. Say, me, 10 million. That my neighbor, 10 million. The other boy, when they carry for stage to 10 million. The other boy, that is within 4 of us. They have getting 40 million for our own side. The other people again, they have getting 40 million. They are 3. That is 120 million. So, they now rest. They tell us the next thing to do again, after we agree to pay now, we should come and take our phones. They come bring our phones. Say, come on, you should come and take your phones. If you know anybody that is your family that is rich, let's say in kidnapping, that is not actually we that normally pay. It's our relations that normally pay the money. That's why we should just cool down. So if we should check anybody in our families that is rich, that we should call the person that kidnappers are kidnappers. So I call my brother. I'm crying. I tell brother, they have kidnapped me. He says he's in his village now, but he's going to come to our town tomorrow. They said, if I not paid 40 million, they're going to kill me. They said, how many are we? I said, we are 4. Hey, he's telling me 40 million for what now? You know, so okay, don't say tomorrow we'll call them.
Sorry to cut you now.
Okay.
So you were there since Wednesday till?
Yes. As till the
1 week.
And one day, till this rescue team come this morning.
Well, today, a joint operation with other sister security agencies, the DSS, and volunteers, as you can see, led to the rescue of 14 victims that were picked from Gauraka by bandits, I think on Monday. I think that resulted in a riot in which a police station was burnt in Gauraka, Niger State. Our collective resolve to contain the situation led to a special operation. This operation has succeeded in rescuing 14 persons picked up from Gauraka by the bandits. As you can see, most of them are frail, and that is why we brought them here for medical attention.
So, as it is, was there any casualties sustained while the operation lasted?
Glory be to God. No casualty sustained on the part of law enforcement agents and volunteers. However, in the course of efforts to rescue the bandits, to rescue the victims, some of the bandits sustained gunshot wounds. As at now, some officers have been left behind at the scene, combing the area to see if we can make any further arrests in respect of this case.
How does the information go to you that people have been kidnapped?
I wonder was that how my source of information.
I know, I just want.
But it's an open matter. There was a report in the newspapers that there was kidnap at Gauraka, Niger State. And there was also a loud outcry that there was 1 or 2 kidnapped around Bwari area. This necessitated these particular operations we conducted.
Now, what more assurance are you giving the residents of the FCT that it's not business as usual for kidnapping?
Definitely, with what you have seen today, it's no longer business for kidnappers. We'll use all we have at our disposal to ensure that we track kidnappers and bring them to justice.
Finally, sir, amongst the operatives was seeing the presence of vigilantes and hunters amongst them. How critical was their role to this success achieved today?
Well, we've told you that on many occasions that security is everyone's business. In our efforts to ensure that there is sanity in our society, we enjoy or request for everyone's cooperation. So even if you are a hunter, you say you are coming to assist us, we welcome you. Most of the bushes, these hunters really know these bushes because they are masters of the terrain. And so they've proven to be very useful to us in the course of our operations.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Bwari. This one is just.
I've been in your office that time they bomb us on the PRO of the day. Yes, that time that we're coming every day. Yes.
Right. Let's get the ladies. The ladies. Right. Let's go so that we'll see the ladies. Go. Right.
Okay, you want to ask her?
See, you want to talk to your patient.
I'm talking to her now, but I don't want you to hear our conversation.
Okay.
Because I'm very, very worried. I'm hoping her face is not going to show in the video.
No,
You're going to blur her face. So